Magandang araw mga kaibigan. Bigyan natin ng reaction, opinion ngayon itong post ni Attorney Wilfredo Garrido. Title, Time to Send Teddy Boy Packing. Teddy Boy, siya po yung Ambassador Teodoro Locsin Jr. Ambassador natin sa United Kingdom na nag-post ng sampal mukha sa administrasyong Marcos. Sinabi niya na si PRRD hindi inaresto ng ICC kundi kinidnap. So, itong si Attorney Wilfredo Garrido, sabi niya dapat isibakin na si Ambassador Locsin. Oo nga naman, bakit hindi niyo pa sibakin? Bakit? Tahimik ang Malacanang. Bakit kaya? Sabi niya, time to send Teddy Boy packing. He is supposed to be a diplomat, but in conduct he is anything but abrasive, tactless, boorish. How he managed to hang on three presidents of different temperaments and political leanings is puzzling. From Cory to Digong to Bongbong, occupying some of the most coveted appointed positions in government. Panahon ni PRRD, DFA Secretary itong si Teddy Boy Locsin Jr. So itong Marcos Jr. ginawa siyang ambassador sa I think nung panahon ng Cory, ano bang position niya noon? Nakalimutan ko na. So, 3 presidente ang pinagsilbihan. Ito, Balimbing, sip-sip to the max. He sucks and stinks like a malabanang tangka. Okay lang ito. Dito ang opinion ni Attorney Wilfredo Garrido. Kanya-kanya tayong pananaw. Under our well-mannered president, he is out of place. Agree. Kasi mabait ang presidente. Kaya nga, kung ako ang presidente, sibakin ko na yan. You do not toe the line. Group effort yung pag ginawa nila kay PRRD, tapos ikaw, ambassador ka, sinabi mong kinidnap. Anyway, dapat alis ka. Ang pinagtataka ko, bakit tahimik ang Malacanang? Baka mamaya iparesign na naman lahat ang mga cabinet members. Tignan nyo ang nangyari kay Solicitor General Guevara. Kinokontra din niya ang administrasyon. Hindi nila kayang sibakin mag-isa. Pinaresign lahat. Ito, bakit hindi nila kayang pauwiin nyo na si Ambassador Locsin? Now, his big mouth might have caught up with him. In an unhinged rant on Facebook, he claimed that Rodrigo Duterte was abducted by Filipinos and handed over to foreigners. Wow! Ito yung actual post niya. It is a confession begging for foreign domination in purely national affairs and by willing and complicit admission. If he is guilty of crimes, we thereby confess our country's and our state's inability to hold him to account. The idea that foreigners, especially Westerners, can judge us is beyond disgusting. It is a treason. Traidor! Sabi niya. Kaya ako, nag-expect ako na ang Malacanang mag-react. Up to na, wala mang reaksyon ng Malacanang. Bakit? Ipa-resign muna lahat ang mga cabinet secretaries, ambassadors, bago tanggalin. Are these words of a diplomat more like of a DDS at a maisog rally? If he were a member of the Duterte family, he could be forgiven. But he is a member of the diplomatic corps. For God's sakes, he should be towing the government line. That Duterte was arrested and expatriated pursuant to our commitments to the international community as a member of the Interpol and signatory to the ICC Convention. He should have been kicked out a long time ago, and his coveted post, Ambassador to the Court of St. James, given to a career official is tip in the protocols and niceties of diplomacy. Come on! Pawiin nyo na! A career official of a foreign service needs at least 20 years of experience to merit an ambassadorship. Teddy Boy had 0 when he landed his first post at the United Nations. Why is he being pampered? He doesn't have a constituency, local or national. I doubt if he will win a barangay seat in Makati again. Yet, he has been given one such position after another. Foreign Secretary, Permanent Representative to the UN, Ambassador to the UK. He is not fit to drive a diplomatic limousine. Marcos Jr. owes him nothing. He is more loyal to the Dutertes than to the Marcoses. O bakit hindi pa si Bakin? O ano sa tingin nyo? Sisibakin ba? Hindi ko alam eh. Mahirap basahin ang palasyo. In fact, Teddy Boy's father was such a pain in the ass to the dictator. He was one of the first to be clamped in jail upon the declaration of martial law. Teddy Boy should be wishing the president ill in secret, cursing him under his breath and praying for his doom and downfall to the clutches of the Dutertes. Marcos Jr. needs Teddy Boy like a hole in the head. This rabid dog should be recalled home to be treated like a paria by all decent Filipinos. He will find no refuge except in the camp of his true God and idol Digong, with whom he has a lot of common, beginning with his foul mouth up to his admiration of Adolf Hitler and contempt of human rights. Teddy Boy has overstayed his welcome. Send him home. Oh, challenge! Administrasyon. Kaya kung ako ang presidente, hindi siya sumusunod sa yung kagustuhan ko, ay di resign. Yan ang nakakapagtaka. Bakit hindi nila kayang sibakin si Ambassador Teddy Boy Locsin? To me, as a Duterte supporter, nagpapasalamat ako sa post ni Ambassador Locsin na nagsasabi kinidnap nila si Pangulong Duterte. Bagay na mahirap kalimutan ng maraming Pilipino. Salamat mga kaibigan sa inyong pagsubaybay sa ating channel. Nakakatulong kayo ng malaki sa tribong Talaandig ng Bukidnon dahil ang income natin sa channel na ito is pantulong po sa tribo. Namimigay tayo ng mga libreng yero at pako sa tribo para makapagpatayo sila ng mas maayos na tirahan. Panoorin nyo ang video na ito.
Ug karon mao ni ang matagaan og yero.
Salamat kayo sa paghatag sa sin.
So muna ni ang atop nga nata na gyud kung maulan, so maulanan na gyud siya. So buslot na gyud ang ilang yero. So mag-atop na siya karon kay natagaan siya gyero. Nagyud og atop og napulihan na ang ilang yero. Tama na og atop. So nindot kayo kay napulihan na ang gatuluan. So karon te unsay imong masulti nga natagaan kag yero og human gyud og atop ang imong balay nga.
Daghang salamat una-una sa tanan sa Ginoo ug sa nagtan-aw sa video. Og labi na sa nag-sponsor kay kani akong balay 5 years na aya pagid ni napulian og yero.
So na kay anak te.
Naa
So pila ka buki mong anak?
isa unya bros pagid ko karon.
So si ate isa yang anak, so nanay kaduha, so aya pagid napulian ang yang yero nga gatuluan na. So karon ate wala na gyud, di na gyud katuluan.